Danny DeVito as Jackie's brother in The Comedian. Danny DeVito as Jackie's brother in The Comedian. Billy Crystal as Ben Sobel in Analyze This. Ben Stiller as Greg Focker in Meet the Parents. Harvey Keitel as Sport in Taxi Driver. Harvey Keitel as Sport in Taxi Driver. Christopher Walken as Nick Chevalier in The Deer Hunter. Ray Liotta as Henry Hill in Goodfellas. Ray Liotta as Henry Hill in Goodfellas. Joe Pesci as Tommy DeVito in Goodfellas. Anne Hathaway as Jules in The Intern. Anne Hathaway as Jules in The Intern.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.